Welcome back, my guys, to another gameplay of Destiny 2: The Final Shade. So on the last stream, we found out that Cade was still alive inside. What was the thing? The Traveler? Oh, we also found out that we could go inside the Traveler, that we could transcend and get this new power up. But we also had to fight these new, enemies. So we'll see what's up from now.
The Witness is no more. It tempted us, but our friends kept us standing tall.
Barely heading to fight him. But I guess they beat him already.
Victory, something new emerged. Whatever it is, it ran aground on Nessus. We don't know what to expect, so we're sending our best. You won't be alone. Saint and Osiris are attaching to your fire team for this investigation. The Vex have taken notice, and an old friend made contact, looking for help. Looking for you.
How hype is this? They're building up to the missions, to the quest.
You should come and kill them, like old times. Visit soon.
Damn, I got hyped. So is this like a new DLC or a new game mode like the other one where we could play historic missions or something?
Osiris, we're approaching Nessus. Scanners show radial aerial surges near the impact.
Yeah, we're getting thrown right into that action.
Land here must be of great interest to the Vex. We need to
find out why.
The destruction of the Witness was an inflection point. All of Sol is reeling from your accomplishments, Guardian.
I still haven't done it, but thanks, my dude.
Saint to run down this lead while I assess the fallout of our historic victory. Make contact with Failsafe and update me once you have some hard data. Good luck.
Thanks, my guy.
Failsafe will be so happy to see you, Guardian. She's been stuck in the Exodus Black for so long. I can't wait to tell her what Osiris has planned. But first, the Vex. Show them that even after our biggest victory, the Vanguard does not sleep.
It does not sleep. Alright, let's go. We're at the Exodus Black. On Nessus. Gotta contact Failsafe.
Actually came, and it only took a minor cataclysm.
Just a little one, but you know, at least we made it.
What can you tell us about the anomaly that landed here?
Whatever it is,
Ooh,
it's causing the
that's
Vex
crazy.
to change. And they hate changing. It's kind of freaking me out.
Damn, are the Vex gonna evolve now?
My external data array, I can provide a more detailed analysis. I'd do it myself, but this shipwreck is the closest thing I have to a body.
For now,
Come on, bro, I got you.
Osiris has a surprise once we're finished here.
Your tone suggests a high probability of exciting news. I am properly motivated. Let's go.
Let's go.
Hey, before we go, could you clear out some Vex for me?
Oh yeah, bro.
They put me in quarantine after the impact.
Quarantine.
Once their local infrastructure is destroyed, along with their enviable autonomous bodies.
Yeah, I was about to say, wasn't there a whole bunch of Vex around here? Because I used to farm in this area. Damn. Oh, I didn't even see him. That was my bad, my guys. Alright. Ahora sí, we ain't playing around. Damn, bro. They ain't playing around either. They got me running. Gotcha, my guy. Compelled goblin. Are these the ones that they were saying that they were changing or something? Disable the conflict. Come on, bro. I'm getting shot at. Oh yeah, that's one. Damn, right in front of me. Imagine if that wouldn't have counted, I would have been so mad. Where's the third one at? Oh, here. Found it. That wasn't necessary, but it looked cool. Alright, cool. Repel the Vex counterattack. Oh, what the? Okay, he did scare me.
The Vex quarantine has been broken. I'm free.
You're welcome, my guy.
Survey the impact site and reintegrate the data array. My Calamity is your tourist destination. Funny how that keeps happening.
Osiris thinks that this anomaly could be pattern causal. Maybe that's why the facts are so joyful.
That makes sense. Prediction is their whole thing, and they never saw this coming.
The hell is that, bro? I was about to say, don't tell me those harpies are transcended too. But I guess they're just compelled. Hey, give me that little thing, bro. Ooh, I almost jumped in. Oh my god, I didn't even see these guys. I thought they were just part of the cave. Ooh, new destination unlocked. Let's just surveying the impact site, my guys. I love how familiar this all is, like just being here on Nessus again, but it's like so changed now. Okay, I'll be back. Oh my god, I almost killed him.
Well, yeah. If it transferred kinetic energy like a meteor, I'd be a fine cloud of particulates right now. Which supports my initial hypothesis that this is super weird. And there's my data array.
It's beautiful though, weird, but beautiful. Get up. No, it almost killed me.
I'm gonna need a Vex energy signature to hack the system. A severed head will be ideal. Please decapitate Vex at your earliest convenience.
I got you, my guy. Damn, I'm getting killed. Damn, dude. These guys are not going easy on me. Where's that last one at? Why are you hiding, my guy? Bro, I'm barely surviving. Stop. Alright, let's hide. Alright, you gotta hide for a bit. I forgot they could teleport. Damn, he's doing everything at us. But like everyone else, he's dead too. We gotta take this.
You just ripped its head right off. So cool. Now shoot the beam through both nodes at the same time to bypass the firewall.
Yeah, but there's a guy. Wait up, can I throw it really quick? Oh, hell yeah, never mind. Alright, a beam through here. Hell yeah. Okay. This way, right? Oh yeah. Am I not hitting it? There you go. There's a less on that. Where are you, last puzzle? There you go. Okay, you gotta stay right here.
Initializing reboot.
That was way easier than the second one. I was expecting to use that little orb power. Damn, I'm getting killed from all angles, my dude. Don't teleport in front of me, my guy. Oh my god. I'm almost gonna die. I made it though. Yeah. Unlimited power, my guy. Oh yeah. Imagine if I couldn't do the puzzle just because I wasted all the like energy on killing them.
Captain, please bounce the Vex laser off the panels until they hit the nodes.
Let me just kill everyone before I waste that ammo again. That's it? Alright. Let's go. Okay, you gotta shoot this. Did I do it? There you go.
Started. And I am inundated with critical system errors.
Damn!
Believe it or not, that's a good thing. You can't reconnect without a little awkwardness.
Oh shit, I gotta go. I gotta go. Oh my god. I thought I died right there. You guys can have that. I'm getting killed. Alright, we're good. Time to get these things. Art cranium. Solve more puzzles, my guys. How am I supposed to do this? Am I supposed to be doing that? It says I gotta be right here. I think I'm doing something wrong. Oh my guys. Wait. Is that what I think? Am I being dumb? I wasted the energy, my guys. Ooh. Okay, it says I gotta be right here, but... Oh wait, there's more. Okay. Nope. For real, am I being dumb? Okay, let's see. Let me get on this rock real quick. Cause I somehow have to get. I think I found out what I have to do, my dude. Hey, can I shoot it from here? No? What the? They have that. Okay, let's try this again, my guys. So I have to somehow shoot this, get that one, and get that one. I already tried like doing this right here. There you go. I got hit though, but I got it. Defeat Codex, the compelled mind. Let me go get some. Damn, I'm getting hurt already. Look at that freak over there. Damn, bro. Homeboy is packing. Run! Okay, where the harpies at? How's that around here? Is he just chilling there? Okay, where the thing is at? Don't shoot at me. I made a chocolate. I gotta be here. So what I gotta shoot? Okay, I gotta shoot this. Nothing happened. I can't see what I'm shooting at though. Okay, to shoot that. Oh. You guys are coming. Bro, I thought you died. Punk. Okay, got to get these. Wait. Oh. I didn't even get to use this. Is it because I shot the harpies? Like, get out of here. I'm wasting my energy. I'm wasting energy. That should be good. Damn it. Alright. Let's just try to do this real quick. Did we get it? We got it, my guys. Gotta go kill some Codex. Run! We gotta, oh my god, we almost, no! I was about to say, we almost died. Alright, we're back, my guys. Damn! You got that long reach. Long gun. Damn. Keep packing. So we gotta show them we ain't scared of pack too, bro. No! Oh my god. How was that? Hell yeah, we got him, my dude. You guys ain't safe either?
All systems operational.
Alright, where's my prize, boy? Where's my prize? I guess he didn't drop anything. Unless I missed it. Or did I get it already? Because I don't see nothing. Alright, let's keep on going, I guess. Survey the impact site. We're here, we're chilling.
Look, Guardian. The impact site is being sealed. It's like the planet is healing itself.
As a sentient, non-organic life form, I endorse this bizarre metaphor. Nessus lives!
Reboot array. Hell yeah.
Survey mission complete.
We got it, my guys.
From the time of impact,
Now we gotta visit the helm.
I will happily share with you after I learn what the surprise is.
Very fair. You were very helpful in guiding us here. So helpful. That Osiris is building you a relay in the helm. We're bringing you aboard as a planetary consultant.
I am rerouting power supplies to experience joy once again. And complete. Yay!
I like how they're celebrating. They're like, yeah, we did it and all this and all that. And it's like, bros, I thought you guys were sent to help me. I died doing this. Imagine if we just like threw ourselves in there. Ooh. We can't let our intrusive thoughts win though. Oh yeah, let's view our journey, bros. Wait, never mind. Okay. Should we visit the helm? You know what, let's do the tower, because we haven't done any of the main missions here. The vault, but let's just do this one. It feels so weird, like, doing all these, like, missions that are canonically, like, more forward in time, but we're barely starting our campaign of Destiny. So it's like, I'm still a bit lost though, but like, it's kind of cool, like, seeing what we're gonna build up towards too. Yeah, look how beautiful that looks. Yeah, whatever, bro. Not me skipping everything that will probably help out later on. What's up, my people? Hell yeah. What's that? Damn, look at this robot guy. And let's talk to Zavala.
Guardian.
Hey, give me that. Is that it? Celebrate what? The Hunter Victory in Guardian Games. Hell yeah, I don't know what that is, but let's celebrate. Hey! We didn't do much in the project, but we got an A, my guys.
Why can't those rookies in the Crucible be more like you?
I don't know. Just give me everything.
But the Crucible needs veterans now more than ever.
Special deliveries. Ooh, that's gonna really help, my guys. Alright. Let's power up our person. Where's that gun that we just got, my guy? Cause that, hell yeah, look at this. It's beautiful. Alright, we could dismantle some things. Go to the crucible. Alright. Oh, this is like PvP? Alright, cool. But we ain't doing that right now. I'm trying to do missions, my guys. Wait, I'm here already, right? Yeah. What's up, my guy?
Let's get started. Stay sharp. I can work
Thanks.
with this.
Do not play the Conqueror. Silent Killer Hans. Alright, let's get out of here, my guys. What's this? Acquire the new Light King Vendor challenge. It's in the cards. Give commendations to your fellow guardians. I don't even know how to do that, okay? Let's just accept all the missions since we're here. It just feels beautiful coming back, you know? It's like, damn. Like, I remember running through all these halls, getting quests or whatever. And now coming back to it and seeing like everything that's changed, it's pretty cool.
How can the Vanguard help?
I don't know. Thanks for nothing, my guy. Wait.
What can you
What is this?
teach me?
New light kits. Let's try this for now. Hell yeah. We need a dungeon key, I guess. But let's see what we got, my dudes.
I am not afraid of the dark.
Fragment slots. We could be invisible and we could weaken our peeps. Okay. Where's the other thing at?
Stick close. Don't want to trigger half the guardian sites.
Yeah, because I don't think any of this was here last time. I know we should be gaming, but hey, let me just explore this real quick. I didn't think it was gonna be this far, my guys. We're at the Onyx. Look at this guy. He's beautiful. Hell yeah. If anything happens to him, I will kill everyone in this room, my guys. Hey, what's up?
Kill anything big lately?
Yeah, I got some stuff. Legacy here. Alright, let's go to the Gambit, see what's this about. 4v4. Alright then. Event. Let's go on this trek, my guys. Yeah. We don't need other peeps, homie. Let's just go. Let's check a vault real quick. Oh, damn. 0 defense. Wait, what was that? Oh, never mind. Suspend targets are immobilized in the web of strand matter. Okay. I guess they won't let me read that, but it's all good. We'll find out the hard way. Are you my homie? Brackets on. Oh wait, I just joined someone's game, huh? No, don't look at me. Yeah, my guys, I'm part of you. There's brackets. Yeah, I'm not liking that. Like, what did the homies do to piss everyone off? Are these our homies? There's brackets. So here. Let me get the Pro Rider. Got him. Ooh. Wow, I'm shooting at everything except Brackus. Where is he? My guys, have you seen him? Oh, he's over there. Hell yeah, we got him, I think. We got the solar charge. Wait, never mind, we didn't get him. Are these our homies? Oh, he's up there. No wonder I couldn't see him. What am I supposed to do? Oh, I gotta go over there. Run! Oh, I missed. There is no way we would have beaten him by ourselves, my guys. No! I didn't even notice I was that bad in health. My guys revived me. His homeboy died too. No! No! We were so close! Damn, that was crazy. I didn't even know what was happening, but that was crazy. Interact? Okay. Oh. Did you guys do that? Let's go. Are you guys excited? I would dance for you and my team. Oh yeah. You MVP, my guy. Oh shit! We just started. Damn, what the? Wow. That turret really got me. That was my bad, my dudes. That was my bad. Oh, you revived me, my guy. You're the homie. Here, take it easy for now. So, do you guys... Where the other homies at? The guards that were helping... Oh! Never mind. The guards that were helping us. Damn, bro, they take killer life off you. I think this was a bad moment to like change our whole thing, man.
Unless we disable that shield, we're sitting ducks out here.
Gotcha. Run! Oh shit, there's people everywhere! Damn, I used it on the wrong dude. Are these our homies? I think they're our homies, bro. Hell yeah. A little friend. We killed him. What the heck? How did I not see him? Where's Brackus? Right on your mascara, homie. Oh shit! Wait, we got him? No, man, he's still there. Where are these people coming from? I'm just gonna shoot everything that moves, my guy. I'm getting killed over here. Gonna run. Let me disappear for a bit. Oh, that's good. I'll revive him. Gotcha, my dude. Who's he shooting at? Oh. This is okay for a bit, good. We're so close, I can feel it in my nuts. Oh no! No! I was trying to figure out what the hell we're doing. Miss Squirrely, you must survive for like 20 seconds. If you want to revive me, that's cool too, but just survive. You have 10 more seconds, my guy. Miss Squirrely, stay there. Run! Don't worry about me. I'll just lay here and die. I really want to... Yeah, I guess. It's cool, I'll just survive by myself. We got him, my guys! We got him! Hey! Little victory dance. Hey! Alright, guys. Hey! We got him, my dude. We got him.
To better understand our enemies. I'll do that.
Yeah, Miss Corley, you're the MVP, my guy. You're the MVP. Hello, my guy. Send the commendation. How'd I do that? I don't know how to do that, my guys. I'm sorry. I was a fire team leader. Oh yeah. Alright, later, my dudes. Well, I know this is a bit of a shorter stream, but I'm actually gonna get ready to go work, my guys. So hopefully you guys had a good time. You know, whatever. I forgot the outro, but hey, see you guys on the next stream. Later, my guys.